We have a cobblestone package from Katowice 2015. $700 in one singular click. Okay, one singular click.
And now you will get it.
If we're hitting a factory new one, it is easily over $100,000 immediately. 40 cents. Why? What are we opening now? Brother, to me, this makes no sense. The amount of money that I'm looking at. It makes no sense. And then, matter of fact, open it. It is almost impossible to profit off this capsule. I used to have a Titan Holo back in the day. I sold it and I used that Ethereum for stupid monkey pictures. This is the most expensive mouse click that I've ever done in my life. To me, it makes no sense. The fact that I'm sitting here and I'm gonna click the button and it's gonna be a sticker that lands in my inventory, it makes no sense. It is unfathomable to me.